Hello and welcome to my treatment room where I'm showing some hamstring stretches. This is a standing stretch for which you do need a little bit of kit. I'm just using an IKEA Ivar shelf, one of these wooden, it's 90 centimetres long. And to start with, you do need to wear shoes for this one, or slippers, or you need something that will grip. To start with, you simply put one end of it onto a book and you're creating a very slight slope, and you just stand on that slope, and that may give you a stretch in the back of your calves and hamstrings, or it may not. And then you build up to a thicker book, and that creates a steeper slope, and then you can add the books together to make a steeper slope still, and then eventually you work up to maybe pushing one end of the shelf on the bottom step of your staircase. If you don't have stairs, then just keep piling up the books. If you're worried they might slip, then maybe put them up against the skirting board so that they can't travel. And this is actually really nice because you can just stand on it and relax. You're not kind of on a step, letting your heels drop down and wobbling. That's quite hard work. So this way you can just be standing on the slope, and it's a great stretch for your calf muscles and for your hamstrings. So probably more for calf stretches than for your hamstrings, but it's good for both. I am Christina Raven, osteopath and cranial osteopath of Your Body in Harmony. There is a subscribe button down there if you'd like to subscribe to see more of my videos, exercises, stretches, recipes, cooking experiments, meditations, and kind of random relevant thoughts. I hope you're well, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.